What's up, guys? It's time for a new algorithmic adventure. Today, I will show you top 10 places to visit in Barcelona. This city is known for its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button under this video. La Boqueria Market is one of the most famous markets in Barcelona. It has a long history dating back to the 13th century when it was just a small market outside the city walls. Nowadays, it's a large and bustling market that attracts millions of visitors every year. This market is known for its vibrant colors and lively atmosphere. The stalls are decorated with colorful displays of fruits, vegetables, and local delicacies. Keep in mind that due to popularity, this place can be overcrowded and goods are overpriced. La Boqueria Market is not just a place to shop for food, it's also a cultural experience. La Rambla is a famous pedestrian street that stretch for 1.2 kilometers through the heart of Barcelona's city center. It is named after a seasonal stream, Rambla in Arabic, that used to flow down the center of the street before it was paved over in the 15th century. The street is lined with trees and filled with street performers, artists, and vendors selling everything from flowers to souvenirs. The street has inspired many artists and writers over the years, including Pablo Picasso and Federico Garcia Lorca, who once said that La Rambla was the only street in the world which I wish would never end. Barceloneta Beach is one of the oldest and most popular beaches in Barcelona. The beach is located in the neighborhood of Barceloneta, which was originally a fishing village. In the 1990s, the beach underwent a major renovation and became a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. The beach has numerous restaurants, bars, and cafes that offer traditional Catalan cuisine and seafood dishes. It is a perfect location to enjoy a Mediterranean sea in the morning and sunset in the evening. It is also a home to W Barcelona Hotel, the sail-shaped building that stands at 99 meters tall and has 26 floors. The rooftop bar of the Barcelona W Hotel, called Eclipse, is one of the most popular nightlife spots in the city. It offers panoramic views of the sea and the city and is known for its signature cocktails. Tibidabo is on the 7th place of our top. The name Tibidabo comes from the Latin phrase, "I will give you," which is what Satan supposedly said to Jesus when tempting him with all the kingdoms of the world. Tibidabo houses the expiatory Church of the Sacred Heart, a stunning neo-Gothic church that stands at the highest point of the mountain. Visitors can climb to the top of the church's towers and enjoy magnificent views of Barcelona and its surroundings. At the top of Tibidabo, there is an amusement park which opened in 1901 and is one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. Overall, Tibidabo is a great place to spend a day exploring and taking in the beauty of the city. Casa Mila is also known as La Pedrera, which means the quarry in Catalan, due to its rough and rocky appearance. It was designed by the famous architect Antoni Gaudí and built between 1906 and 1912. The building was commissioned by a wealthy businessman, Pere Mila, and his wife Rosa Segeman, who wanted a unique and modern apartment building. Casa Mila is considered one of Gaudí's most innovative works. It has no straight lines or right angles, which was a radical departure from traditional architecture at the time. Today, Casa Mila is open to the public as a museum and cultural center with a stunning rooftop terrace available to visitors. Montserrat Monastery is located 48 kilometers northwest of Barcelona, and this is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Catalonia. The monastery was founded in the 11th century and has been a place of pilgrimage for over 1,000 years. The name Montserrat means serrated mountain in Catalan, which refers to the jagged peaks that surround the monastery. The monastery has a museum that houses works by famous artists such as El Greco, Caravaggio, and Picasso. Montserrat Monastery is also a popular destination for hikers and rock climbers, with many trails and climbing routes available in the area. Casa Batllo is a famous building located in the heart of Barcelona. This building was originally built in 1877, but it was completely renovated and redesigned by Antoni Gaudí between 1904 and 1906. The building's unique design features a colorful facade made up of broken ceramic tiles and stained glass windows that create a mosaic effect. The windows of the building are designed to look like masks, with different expressions depending on the angle of the light. The building is often referred to as the House of Bones because of its skeletal appearance and the bone-like shapes of some of its features. As well as Casa Mila, the building has no straight lines or right angles, which was a deliberate choice by Gaudí to create a more natural and organic feel. Parc Güell is one more Gaudí's masterpiece in Barcelona. It was designed and built between 1900 and 1914. The park is named after Eusebi Güell, a wealthy businessman who commissioned Gaudí to design the park. It was originally intended to be a housing development for wealthy families, but it was never completed due to lack of interest from buyers. The park covers an area of 17.18 hectares and features many unique architectural elements, including colorful mosaics, twisted columns, and organic shapes. One of the most iconic features of the park is the Dragon Fountain, which is located at the entrance and is covered in colorful tiles. And of course, we should mention the famous bench. This bench is over 100 meters long and is made up of colorful tiles arranged in a mosaic pattern. The bench was designed to provide seating for visitors to the park while also offering stunning views of Barcelona. The bench is said to represent a sea serpent, with its curving shape and colorful tiles resembling the scales of a serpent. The National Art Museum of Catalonia, also known as MNAC, is housed in the Palau Nacional, a grand palace built for the 1929 International Exhibition in Barcelona. The Palau Nacional building that houses MNAC was originally designed as a replica of the Palace of Versailles, but it ended up having a more eclectic style influenced by various architectural trends. Its collection spans from the Romanesque period to the mid-20th century and includes Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, Modernism, and avant-garde art. The museum also features an impressive collection of Catalan modernism, including works by Antoni Gaudí, Joan Miró, and Pablo Picasso. You can enjoy this amazing collection for free because MNAC offers free admission on Saturdays after 3 p.m. and all day on the first Sunday of each month. And of course, keep in mind that MNAC has a stunning rooftop terrace with panoramic views of Barcelona. And our number one is amazing Sagrada Familia. This is the one of well-known symbols of Barcelona. It was designed by Antoni Gaudí, who dedicated his life to this masterpiece. The construction of Sagrada Familia began in 1882, and it's still under construction after more than 140 years. Its completion date is expected to be in 2026, marking the 100th death anniversary of Antoni Gaudí. Sagrada Familia is the most visited monument in Spain, with over 4.5 million visitors each year. The interior of Sagrada Familia is filled with natural light that streams in through the colorful stained glass windows, creating a kaleidoscope-like effect. The columns inside the basilica are designed to resemble trees, branching out at their tops like the canopies of a forest. Gaudí believed that natural light was the most beautiful way to decorate the space. Sagrada Familia is significant to Barcelona's cultural heritage and 100% should be on your bucket list. Breathtaking architecture, delicious cuisine, vibrant culture. From the iconic Sagrada Familia and Park Güell to the bustling streets of Las Ramblas and the picturesque beaches, Barcelona has something for everyone. What are your favorite locations in Barcelona? Let us know in comments below this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more algorithmic adventures.